Hey kindergarten friends, you should have already gotten your packet for next week, April 13th, in the mail. And we only have 1 week worth of items on this packet, and you'll receive another packet with the rest of our distance learning probably next week. On here is our email information. You know it's easier to get us by Dojo, but just in case. And you'll read that the directions have changed now that everybody has a little bit more direction. You'll see that students are to spend no more than 60 minutes on their packet per day. So my advice as a parent and a teacher is to hit the things that your students are struggling with harder than the things that are super easy and come easy to them. And if everything is equal to your child, just hit everything for 15 minutes. It's obviously to your discretion. If you need your child to be busy a little bit longer, then you might want to extend some of these, but we're only requiring 60 minutes. Okay, so reading looks very similar to what it's been. Read Raz Kids, or if you don't have Raz Kids, you can choose a book and find the sight words. Math looks a lot the same. Do 2 lessons from Khan Academy, or you can pick something from the math choice board. The math choice boards are below, and I'll talk about them in a minute. For writing, we're going to be starting a new topic, so they're not actually going to be writing this week. They'll be writing more next week. We're going to be developing the idea of fact and opinion. So talking with your child about the difference between a fact, a true statement, something that can be proven or looked up, or an opinion, how you feel. And then science, you're going to watch living and non-living lesson and do the worksheet. And that lesson is attached. That link is attached here as well. Obviously, you can't click a link on your worksheet, but Mrs. Odom sent out the s'more that has this packet attached, and you can click the link from the s'more. All right. And so Tuesday, more of the same. You're going to read Raz Kids, or you're going to find the silent E. Silent E is the E that makes the vowel closest to it say its name. Khan Academy, or do a math choice, fact and opinion. You're going to talk about 2 statements and ask your child if it's a fact or opinion. If they struggle with this, you might want to come up with some more. This is just an example. And then watch the plant video and do the plant worksheet. Wednesday, same layout. Thursday, Friday, same layout. Let's talk about the math kindergarten choice boards. So there's 2. There is one that has all the strands, number sense, algebraic thinking, geometry, measurement, and you can just do one from the strands and one from word problems. And attached to this should be an explanation on how we do word problems in kindergarten. It's on my YouTube page, and I'm also going to put it in this dojo, a screencast of me going through how we do the word problems. It's not just writing down the number fact, but it's showing your work in 2 to 3 different ways. And I go into detail in that in the YouTube video. So if you don't have access to Khan Academy, or if you want some extra, I would pick one from the math choice board and one from the word problems daily. I'll be sending out supplementary lessons, and I will be here. And as always, have fun teaching.